how to turn off notifications on iPad Pro. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off notifications on your iPad Pro. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To turn off notifications on the iPad Pro, open the settings application here first. Once you open the settings app, you're going to see this type of interface where on the left hand side, you want to simply navigate to the option called notifications as you would be able to find it. Once you go to the option called notifications, now you have to select the option called Siri suggestions as you can find here. Make sure to tap on Siri suggestions, and then if you want to turn all of the notifications off, you can see at the top right, you can just turn off all notifications off. If you want to customize them for individual apps, you can go ahead and then customize them according to the apps that you prefer here as well. And this way you should be able to turn off notifications on the iPad Pro. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.